Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through the steps of creating an Azure Cloud Assembly with Appranix. To create an Azure Cloud Assembly, open the Cloud Assembly list page under Cloud Resilience. Click the Create Cloud Assembly button from the top right. Choose Azure Assembly. Fill in the name and description. Choose the cloud connection associated with the resources you intend to protect. Select the primary region for the cloud assembly where you have the resources to protect. For cross-region recovery, enable Allow Cross-Region Recovery option. Select the desired recovery region from the list of operational regions. Click Next. Click on Add Resource Groups and choose the resource group that is intended to be protected among the discovered list. Click on Add Resource Group. Using the entire resource group option, you can protect the selected resource group entirely. Using the Select Using Tags option, you can protect resources of the chosen resource groups based on selected tags. By using the Exclude Resources with the following tags option, you can exclude a particular resource with a specific tag. In this case, we are using Entire Resource Group option for protection. Click Next. Appranix stores your disk backup in the form of snapshot. Using Protection Strategy, you can select a resource group in your primary region and your recovery region where your backup snapshots will be stored. Select your resource groups. Click Next. Now select the appropriate backup policy based on the frequency you want your resource and its data to be backed up. Click on Advanced and select Immediately to trigger a protection immediately. Choose Next. Verify the assembly configuration and click Finish. You have successfully configured the backup for all the chosen resources. In the Resource pane, you can view the entire resource map of your cloud assembly. Under the Policies tab, you can view your current backup policy. To add a new policy, click on Create Protection Policy. In the Repository pane, you can view your active timelines. Under the Timeline tab, you can view all your timelines. Under Actions, using the Edit option, you can edit the information of your cloud assembly. Using the Recovery Profile option, you can manage your webhook extensions. By using the Disable option, you can temporarily disable the cloud assembly. Using the Configuration option, you can configure webhooks for your cloud assembly. Using the Config Drift option, you can compare any two active timelines. To delete your cloud assembly, click the Delete option. Thank you.